I'd like to talk briefly just about premises liability cases involving personal injury. Premises liability is a little bit different than, say, a motor vehicle accident in the fact that there's not vehicles involved, but rather typically a trip and fall or a slip and fall at a either residential setting or commercial setting in which there was some defective condition causing a person to fall and subsequently get injured. Unlike calling the police in a motor vehicle accident, if you had a trip and fall or slip and fall, say in a commercial setting, you'd like to document that in some regard, to get a spouse to possibly do an incident report if you're taken via ambulance to a hospital or seeking medical treatment. That way there can never be any question whether an actual incident per se happened at the subject business in that regard. Additionally, many times in a commercial setting, if there was some defective condition that caused the person to fall in that regard, after it happens, that condition may be corrected by the owner. So it's important, if possible, to try to take photographs, again, similar to property damage in motor vehicle accidents, to document the defective condition. Another thing that's important is to contact a lawyer in that regard as soon as possible after it happens, similar to a motor vehicle accident, because a lawyer, what I'll often do, my first step is, after requesting the insurance information, is to do a cease and desist letter that if there are any photographs or actual cameras that may have caught it or captured the slip and fall or trip and fall, to not destroy any of that evidence in that regard. And then lastly, you definitely want to, again, seek medical treatment for any slip and fall or trip and fall where you sustained an injury, because it's important to document that after it happens in close proximity, so that you never face an argument that the incident itself didn't cause the resulting injuries in that regard. So if you or a family friend are ever involved in an incident like that, I'd be happy to speak with you and love to help you out.